everyone, welcome back to the English Academy. I'm Lena.
And I'm Sam. It feels really good to be here, learning English with you again.
Today we have a very practical topic, something you may really need in real life.
Yes, this is real-world English, not just textbook sentences. Today we're going to talk about how to speak English at the doctor's office. We'll help you explain your symptoms, ask questions, and understand the doctor, so you don't panic when you feel sick. Before we start, if you enjoy learning with us, please give this video a like and subscribe to the English Academy so you don't miss our next lessons.
All right, imagine this. I wake up and I feel terrible. My whole body hurts, my head is pounding, my throat burns. Just awful.
That sounds like the kind of morning when you just want to stay under the blanket and cry a little.
Honestly, yes. And my brain says I need help. I need a doctor. Tea is not enough.
In real life, the first step, if it's not a serious emergency, is usually to call the clinic and make an appointment. Don't just arrive and say, "Help, I'm dying."
Right. If it's a real emergency like chest pain or big breathing problems, you go to the hospital immediately. But for normal sickness, you call the doctor's office.
Let's practice a phone call. I'll be the receptionist, and you be the sick patient.
Okay, I'm a sad, sick human.
Good morning, South Medical Center. This is Daniel speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. My name is Anna Silva, A-N-N-A Silva. I'd like to book an appointment with a doctor, please.
Of course, Miss Silva. Before we continue, could I have your phone number in case the call cuts off?
Sure, it's here.
Thank you. And what seems to be the problem? What symptoms are you having today?
I've had a strong headache since last night. I have a fever, my throat is very sore and dry, and I'm coughing a little bit.
I'm sorry you're feeling that way. We have a free time at 3 p.m. this afternoon. Does that work for you?
Yes, 3 p.m. is perfect. I just want to see a doctor as soon as possible.
Great. When you come in, please bring your health insurance card,
A photo ID, and a list of any medications you're taking. Okay, insurance card, ID, and a list of my medicines. I'll write that down so I don't forget.
One more thing, if your symptoms suddenly get much worse, like trouble breathing or a very high fever, please go to the emergency department right away.
Okay, I understand. Thank you so much. I'll see you at 3 o'clock.
You're welcome. Take care until then.
It's 3 p.m. I drag myself to the clinic and I'm sitting in the waiting room, trying not to cough on anyone.
Waiting rooms always feel so quiet. Everyone looks tired and secretly listens to each other's coughs.
Exactly. I'm sitting there waiting, and then a nurse comes out and calls my name. Anna Silva?
You stand up and say, "Yes, that's me."
The nurse smiles. Hi, Anna. Please follow me. We'll do a quick check before the doctor sees you.
The nurse usually checks your weight, height, temperature, and your blood pressure.
Sometimes students ask, why do they check my height? Does that help my sore throat?
Not really. It's just basic information so the doctor understands your general health. Blood pressure, for example, shows how strongly your blood moves through your body. It's quick and doesn't hurt, just a little squeeze on your arm.
After those checks, the nurse takes me to a small exam room and says, the doctor will be with you shortly. Then I sit alone, staring at medical posters and trying not to Google my symptoms.
Please don't Google your symptoms. The internet will always tell you the worst thing.
Now the doctor comes in. I'll be Dr. Patel, and Sam will be Anna. Hello, I'm Dr. Patel. Nice to meet you, Anna. Please, have a seat and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, doctor.
I looked at your temperature and blood pressure. Everything seems okay so far, which is good. So, what brings you in today?
I really don't feel well. I feel very sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's talk about your symptoms. The things your body is feeling. What is bothering you?
First, I have a really bad headache. Not a small one, a strong one.
On a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is tiny pain and 10 is the worst pain you can imagine, how bad is it?
Maybe a 7. It's pretty painful.
Okay, 7 out of 10. Any other symptoms?
Yes, my throat hurts a lot. It hurts when I talk. And when I swallow. And I have a dry cough. Just air, no mucus. I also think I have a fever. Last night I felt very hot, and then a few minutes later I was freezing.
Did you check your temperature?
Yes, this morning it was 38.5 degrees Celsius.
That is definitely a fever. Do you feel tired? Low energy?
Oh yes, I'm exhausted. I just want to sleep all day.
That's very common when your body is fighting a virus. How is your appetite? Are you eating normally?
Not really. I'm not hungry at all. I only drank some juice today.
Even if you're not very hungry, try to eat something small and gentle like soup or porridge. It helps your body recover. And drink plenty of water. Hydration is very important.
Okay, I'll try to have a little soup and more water.
Good. Now I'll do a quick physical exam. First, I'll check your throat. Please open your mouth wide and say ah. Thank you. Your throat looks very red and irritated, definitely sore. Now I'd like to look inside your ears. I'm going to use an otoscope. It's a small light that helps me see inside your ears. It doesn't hurt. It just feels a bit strange.
Okay, go ahead.
Your ears look normal, no infection. Now I'll listen to your lungs with my stethoscope. I'll put it on your back. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. One more time. Perfect. Your lungs sound clear. That's great news. Now, how long have you been feeling sick?
I started feeling a little bad 2 days ago, but yesterday it got much worse.
Are you taking any medicine right now? Anything for headache, fever, or cough?
No, I haven't taken anything. I want to talk to a doctor first.
That's okay. Based on your symptoms, your fever, and what I see, I think you have the flu, influenza.
Is that dangerous?
For most healthy adults, it's not usually dangerous, but it can make you feel very bad and tired. Your body needs time and rest to fight it. So here's the plan. First, rest. Stay home, sleep. Don't go to work. Second, drink lots of fluids, water, juice, tea. With honey and lemon is great for your sore throat. Third, I'll write a prescription for medicine to help your headache and fever. It won't kill the virus, but it will make you more comfortable.
So it helps me feel better while my body fights the virus.
Exactly. Take this medicine twice a day, after breakfast and after dinner. For your throat, you can buy lozenges at the pharmacy. You don't need a prescription for those.
Okay, twice a day after food, plus lozenges. Do I have to worry about allergies to medicine?
Do you know if you're allergic to any medicines?
No, I don't think so.
Great, that makes it easier. Here's your prescription. You take it to a pharmacy, and they'll give you the medicine.
When can I go back to work? I have an office job.
I recommend staying home for 2 or 3 days. Rest until your fever has been gone. For 24 hours without medicine.
Okay, so rest, drink water, take medicine. Twice a day and use lozenges for my throat.
That's right. You should start to feel better in a few days, but if your symptoms get worse, higher fever, trouble breathing, please call me or go to emergency immediately.
I will. Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Wow, that was a complete doctor's visit. Symptoms, exam, diagnosis, treatment, prescription, pharmacy, everything.
But not every visit is for the flu. Sometimes people see a doctor for allergies.
Yes, allergies are very common. people can be allergic to food, animals, dust, pollen, and more.
So today, we've really seen how many different reasons you might need to visit a doctor. The flu, allergies, skin problems, and more.
And no matter what the problem is, the most important thing is to describe it clearly so the doctor can help you. What are your symptoms? When did they start? Did you eat, use, or touch anything new?
Exactly. If you can answer those questions, you're already doing a great job. Communicating in English at the doctor's office.
We also learned some key words: symptom, appointment, prescription, pharmacy, fever, sore throat, allergy, and many useful phrases like, what seems to be the problem? How long have you had these symptoms? I have a headache, sore throat, runny nose, itchy skin.
Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments, try to write 1 or 2 sentences. Found about a time you were sick. For example, I had a headache and a fever, so I made an appointment with the doctor.
Or you can answer these questions. What do you usually do when you have a cold? Do you go to the doctor quickly, or only when you are very sick?
Don't worry about making mistakes. This is a safe place to practice. Every comment you write is one more step to better English.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the English Academy, and share it with a friend who is learning English. That really helps our channel grow.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Take care of your health and keep repracticing a little English every day.
See you in the next lesson from the English Academy. Bye for now.